Breaking news, U.S. immigration has paused all applications from people from the 19 countries on that travel ban. What does that mean? Last night, this is on December 2nd, a USCIS policy memo just got released. I'm going to go over the details in this memo, point by point, about how it affects immigrants, all right? And they are putting a pause on almost every type of immigration application if you're on those 19 countries. And there's even more about them going back and checking and perhaps re-interviewing you. And if you got a green card, you will be affected. So I'm going to go in detail through it. All right. First and most important thing is that I shared earlier, asylum's been stopped for every person in the United States. All right. That's USCIS across the board, even if you're not on that country. This policy memo mentions that. And then it says specifically point number 2, placing a hold on pending benefit requests for aliens from countries. You know, that's a travel ban list of countries, 19 countries, Afghanistan, Somalia, Haiti, Iran, etc., etc. The list goes on. There's a lot of countries on that list. It places a restriction on those. All right. Under the prior travel ban, you know, Afghans could be filing certain types of cases, marriage-based cases, and there would be no problem. But now, because of this policy memo, this is basically implying that, you know, all applications connected to people from those countries, those benefits requests are going to be paused. What does that mean? Specifically, like green card, I-485, adjustment of status applications, you know, even green card renewals, you know, I-90s, all right, and, you know, I-751s and travel documents. And it's very concerning because, you know, this is something that's going to affect people who have a green card to just even get the green card renewed or apply for a green card. So those are Haitians, they're Afghan, Yemenis, and others who are going through this process. You know, that's the major thing that's of concern pertaining to that. All right. Now it gets worse because the part perhaps most troubling, and I've kind of talked about this in terms of my last news update about a re-examination. This is now official in the policy memo. Before it was just USCIS director tweeting about it on Twitter/X, but now they're saying that this memorandum mandates that all aliens, you know, meeting this criteria, people who've come in and gone through, you know, from these countries, are going to go through a thorough re-review process, including a potential interview, if necessary, re-interview to fully assess all national security and public, you know, safety and security concerns. All right. Relating to inadmissibility grounds. That could be a basis to have you lose your green card if you already have it. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a live soon as well and update you guys. Good luck to everybody.